Hey folks, Matt with Priority Home Inspections, and what I'm going to show you with the garage door opener, you have your electronic sensors, and then it should also have the downforce adjustment set, so when the garage door meets resistance, it reverses. And those, I rated up those two knobs there. The best way to test it is just laying a 2x4 flat and closing the door. And that door should be reversing. And it's not. So the best way is just to dial it in with those knobs, get the manufacturer instructions, and you want that door to reverse. It's just a safety feature, and it's important with pets or small children, and you should have these electronic sensors also. You want to have both layers of protection, the sensors and the proper downforce adjustment setting. Hope you all are doing great. Thanks for watching. This is Matt with Priority Home Inspections. Check us out at BrevardHomeInspector.com. Signing off.